Hello everybody, so what we have here today is a Casablanca Mercury Ceiling Fan. I got this ceiling fan from Andrew Wu at the Fanimation group trip for $60. The glass came from eBay, I think the Fan Man Lighting, something like that. And the K4S came from Brian Hicks. Yeah, so now I have a Mercury and a Meridian in my room. It's a really cool install. I've been wanting to do this since Fanimation, but this went up somewhere in January 13th, I think. And then there's the Mercury over there. Just got installed a few minutes ago. Yeah, shout out to my grandpa because he had to rip out the old light box and then put the crank box in so I could mount the fan. And then the light is over there. So yeah, anyways, let's start the light. Before I installed this, I replaced the chain because the chain was all, the chain I used, it wasn't the right chain. Well, it was, but it's just all messed up. So I replaced it and it has the walnut just like the Meridian over there. So I think we should get to low now. So this ceiling fan came from the group trip of 2022. Oops, right there. Yeah, I'm really happy to have this fan in my room now. I've been wanting to do this for quite some time. This is probably going to be the permanent install for both of these. That is until I find a Meridian, just so I can match this one. So yeah, really happy that this fan is now in here. If like anyone has two sets of that glossed rosewood, I would be definitely interested because they'd be really nice. Both of these fans with rosewood. But yeah, this fan is somewhere, it's somewhere between 91 and 93. I can show you guys the tag. It'll be featured in the video. But these came in a few different finishes. Antique brass which was, I guess, the rarest for Mercury's. Meridian, same thing. These came in white and brass. These came in, well, especially for the Mercury, I knew these came in all white, but I think like if you want that option for the Meridian, I think the sideband is like copper or brass, whatever it is, because this is the copper sideband, so let's go to medium. But yeah, there was the white and brass models for these, the antique brass, the bright brass, and the white versions. I am looking for a white version because, you know, those aren't too common. But yeah. It looks exactly the same like my other one. Same K4S as the second gen one. Same glass, same everything. Both of the flower cuts are from Casa. So, yeah. Just really happy I finally have this fan in here. 50-inch diameter. And yeah. Both these fans are on a smooth hang true. I think these didn't come with a stepped. The Mercury, but I know the Meridian did. But John didn't have the canopy, so he just gave me a smooth. Yeah, here's high. No wobble at all. Goes pretty good, if anything. Yeah, I'm really happy to have both of these in my room. It took this long, and Fanimation's like basically right around the corner. It's not far, so gotta get ready for that. So. Here's the light. It's a little odd how the shorter chain is the light for this fan than the one that runs the fan. I'm not really used to it. Here's spin down. This fan's in really good shape, but there are a few little signs of pitted rust. But other than that, it's fine. This is like the first time it's ran in like at least 4 or 5 months, maybe even more. Like, yeah, since a few days after the group trip. That's the last time this thing has ran. Other than that, it hasn't ran. So I'm gonna turn the light on and then just shut it off by the switch. So. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. See you guys later and goodbye.